So I got this comment on one of my YouTube Shorts videos, and I didn't know if they meant it in a good way or a bad way. I guess it depends on the person, but I took it as a good thing because there's a few things that I do every single month that I consider to be more on the high maintenance side that really help me to be low maintenance at the end of the day. Because listen, I'm lazy. I can be so lazy, and I'm working on that. But if there are certain things that I could pay a little bit more for that are just gonna make my life that much easier, then I am definitely going to be doing it. So these are some of the things that I do or have started doing recently that really have helped me every single month. These are the things that I do whenever I have a treat yourself moment. The one that I want to start off with is actually something that I recently just started doing. So number one has to be laser hair removal. I don't want to hear anything about waxing, sugaring, nairing, none of that anymore ever again. Now, somebody told me that I should look into laser hair removal a while ago, maybe like 2 years ago, and I should have listened back then. When I say that I've tried all of those different methods, they all have come with some sort of issue for me, whether it's people not knowing how to perform a wax correctly, ingrown hairs, painful bumps, dark spots, crazy regrowth or very quick regrowth. I don't want to deal with any of that stuff. I hate having hair anywhere on my body that's not on my head, my eyebrows, and my lashes. Absolutely hate it. So if I can laser off my entire body, I will. And I've started to do just that. I started doing laser hair removal, and I think I have 6 different sessions that I am in the process of getting done. And I'm only on session number 2. I just completed my second session maybe like a week or 2 ago, and the results already are insane. So the whole process is basically you shave down whatever hair you are lasering off. You go in, they use a laser to kind of just get down to the hair root, and it basically just hits it really deep so that the hair ends up falling out. The more treatments you get done, the less hair growth you will have over time. That's exactly what I've seen, and it's only been session number 2. The hair growth has been very, very slow, very patchy. There are certain spots where I don't have any hair growth at all, and it's only been session number 2. Everything else has been growing very, very slowly. The hair that does grow back, it's thinner in my opinion, so when it does grow back, it's less uncomfortable. The second best part about getting laser hair removal is that it is not as painful as waxing. I hated waxing so much. I never wanted to go back to another waxing place ever again. The pain that you do feel with laser hair removal, I would compare it to kind of like just getting hit with like a hot rubber band, and that pain only lasts for about a second for me. Waxing hurt a lot more. Now, it is a little bit more expensive than waxing. I would say with the results that I've gotten so far, it's definitely been worth it. I just want the least amount of effort with the best results, and that's what I've been getting so far with laser hair removal. And I honestly cannot wait until my next few sessions. And once these are done, moving on to the next body part, I'm getting every single hair below my neck lasered off. Number 2, it has to be facials. Now, I used to be the type of person who would just do DIY face masks at home and thought that they actually did something, but it wasn't until I actually got a professional facial and I was just like, I'm really not doing anything doing these little facials on myself every single week or every other week. I tend to wear a lot of makeup, or I don't wear makeup every day, but I wear it several times a week, and I have very oily skin, so my pores end up getting very clogged. So those DIY masks, unfortunately, they didn't really get in too deep. The cleansers are great and everything, but with my skin and how my pores end up getting clogged, they end up getting clogged pretty deep. So going to somebody and getting a professional facial has helped my skin a lot. They go in with those extractions, and as painful as they are, you know the saying, beauty hurts? Yeah, everything so far that I've mentioned in this video is painful, but it is so worth it. So they get into my skin, they perform extractions, they do treatments and masks and everything to help minimize my oil a little bit. But not just that, it's not just the services that you're getting, it's the actual knowledge that comes with having someone professional tell you about your skin and tell you the things that you need to be doing and implementing into your skincare routine every single day. That really also makes it worth it to me. Before I started getting getting my professional facials done, I was never ever exfoliating my skin like I'm supposed to. After they explained to me everything that it helps out with, that's when I started exfoliating my face several times a day. I mean, a day, a couple times a week. What I'm going to be looking into next is, I don't remember exactly what it's called. I think it might be like dermaplaning or something like that, where they just like shave off the peach fuzz that you have so that your skin can be even more smooth. But I have been so far just been doing a lot of oil control and deep pore cleansing facials, and I look forward to getting my facials done every single month. I'm actually due for another facial. Honestly, I'm about to turn 30 this year. Like, I need to take my skincare a lot more seriously than I have been over the past few years. Next, my nails. And if you guys have been here long enough, then you know that I always have to have my nails done, always. And I used to be the type of person who would do my nails at home. Ever since I was in, I don't know, middle school, high school, I would be doing my own nails. I would be doing my own nail designs. I would do everything myself. And even when I had the money to go out and get my nails done, I would do my nails a lot myself still, because it was very enjoyable to me. It was very fun. But after a while, when I say after a while, I mean up until recently, it started to become more of a chore for me than something that I enjoy at this point, because I don't just go in with regular nail polish or regular gel nail polish and just do just basic like solid nail polish. I want something that's going to last a lot longer at this point. I want something that's going to be durable. I want something that's not going to break. I love my long nails. I have them short right now, but I love my nail extensions. I love getting French tip, any sort of variation, as you can tell. And doing that myself just has not been in my favor. I've done a couple of videos where I have done DIY SNS dip powder, gel extension, like the press-ons. I have all of that stuff at home, but it's just not the same as when you go to somebody professional. One, they actually know how to prepare your nails so that it lasts. For me, the places that I go to, my manicures last over 4 weeks. If I can go 5-6 weeks with the same nails, I would. I just don't like seeing the growth after that amount of time. My nails are prepared so well with such great quality product that my nails last for over 4 weeks without chipping, without lifting, without any of that stuff. The nails are in perfect condition, and it has a lot to do with the prep, the product, and everything in between. When it comes to doing things at home, I know there's a lot of people who are like, well, my nails last X, Y, and Z amount of time. For me personally, they don't last more than 2 weeks. I've had times where I would have my own DIY like nail extensions, and then one of them would end up popping off while I'm cooking or something like that, and then I have 9 nails left. It just makes me feel like trash. Like, I don't not to say that if you walk around like that you look like trash, but for me personally, I like having everything done and everything presented very well. So if I'm walking around without a nail, it hits me right here, because I don't need to walk around like that. So I want something that is done extremely well, very durable, and with the best quality product. What I do is I typically do like the Apres gel extensions, which is basically just like, it looks like a press-on, but they apply it with gel. This is actually not the gel extensions, because I decided to just take a little bit of a break this month from the long nails, and this is actually hard gel, and it basically just makes sure that the nails don't break. My specific nail tech, she is incredible. She is the sweetest. I absolutely love her. She remembers the exact shade of nude that I love every single time. She knows exactly how I want my French tip to be done. Like, I don't want it to just be at the edge. I want it to be entirely brought down into this nice U shape. I'm very specific, as she remembers everything, and that's another reason why I love going to her and to someone professional that pays that much attention to detail. Something that will take her an hour and a half to 2 hours to do will take me an entire day. I'm not even kidding. Now that's for my manicures. When it comes to my pedicures, I have started to pay more. I have started to get those spa pedicures, and at first I thought they were a scam. Like, no joke. I thought that it was just like a fancy name that these places give to their services just to get you to pay more. But the place that I go to, it's not a scam. They go in. They remove all of the dead skin. The massages, oh my god, the massages are so necessary, and I actually need to get into like full body massages as well. But the foot massages, they massage my feet through my calves, and it just feels amazing, especially because I spend a lot of my time at the gym, and leg day is just like so much pressure on your feet and your calves. It helps so much. It feels so good. They use hot stones. They let the bottom of my feet soak. I don't remember exactly what it's called off the top of my head, but it's basically just supposed to remove any sort of dead skin that you have and any sort of roughness. And at the end of the pedicure, my feet feel like a baby's bottom. So it's not just the things that I'm getting done, it's the quality of everything. It's how everything makes me feel. It's how easy everything makes my life. If I don't have to focus on getting my nails done every single week or every other week, if I don't have to focus on doing a face mask at home every single week for my skin, if I don't have to focus on shaving every couple of days, oh my god, total lifesavers, totally worth it for me. If there's something that you're interested in doing and just investing in yourself, just do it. They are just a very enjoyable part of my monthly maintenance routine that I absolutely love. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.